Hello, welcome to Photo Time with Anderson. This is how to import files into Lightroom. So here I am in Lightroom. If I go ahead and just close this, okay, we're going to skip this time. I'm going to go ahead and just hit Lightroom as if I'm opening it from scratch. In the meantime, we'll watch Josh Garrels jamming out back here. So we'll open up. You really do have to import your files a certain way into Lightroom. And it'll usually open up to the last screen. So now, here's the last thing that we were working on, how to do some edits. If I click on this, I hit Y, that's our before and after. We want to import some new photos this time. So import photos and video. First I have to find where I'm going to import them from. So I want to import this photo shoot I did with my daughter and her friends. And these may not be open up to the side here. But these are definitely some things that I want to control as my pictures are coming in. Passport over here, that's my external hard drive. You could be getting them on from your regular hard drive. You do have to kind of know what the location of the photos is. So I just click that down. Passport, here's my folder. File handling, build previews, don't import suspected duplicates. You can make a second copy. So I actually am going to make a second copy. And I'm going to hit add to collection here. Make a new collection. I call it photo shoot with Indy and Tess. It's kind of a long name. That's okay. File renaming. I don't like these to come in as a, sort of like IMG, etc. So you can click here and rename files. I usually do custom name plus sequence. You can just do custom name. I think it'll add a sequence. So I'm going to say Indy and Tess. Okay, extension, start number 1 is fine. I'm just going to click that up. Destination, I have to choose where it's actually going to go. So here in pictures, I'm going to put it in a subfolder, and I'm going to say photo shoot with Indy and Tessa. So I don't have to put it in this subfolder necessarily if I'm keeping it on my computer. You could just keep it in its original folder. This is just all the ways that you can control these, and here's the other places, the destination folders that you can put them. So the most important part of this is that you want to add it to a collection because it's going to make things easier in Lightroom here. So it's importing the files, there they are, they're coming in. Over here in the catalog, all of Lightroom has a catalog. I don't recommend creating new catalogs or changing catalogs, not for what we're doing in this class. So then, if I've already imported a group of files, for example, this is the LA field trip files, that's a collection that I've created to kind of practice with editing. They're all right here in my collection. If I come to the LA field trip, I have all of the photos, and these photos right here are still loading. So here you have your actual folders where they are. Down here you have your collections, which is how Lightroom will always kind of like want to organize those. And that is how you import photos into Lightroom.